Okay, friends. So this topic is more important for UGC NET than the West Bengal SLST in geography. So let's start theories and propounders. So basically, industrial location theories and all are given here. Economic geography. So see, von Thunen. So he worked on concentric rings of land use model. Then Julian Olpert, he gave decision making model. Then W. Leon TF, he gave input output model. Then Hagerstrand, he gave diffusion model. Taffey gave transport route development model. Richthofen, concept of areal differentiation. Patrick Gadish applied socio-economic perspectives in regional planning. Gould, spatial exploration model based upon a simulation of search theory. Then Patrick Gadish, methodologies to study human communities through place, work and folk. So remember this phrase, place, work and folk progression. Then Taffey, Morrill and Gould, they gave the sequential expansion transport network model. Sequential expansion transport network model, right? Now, R.P. Mishra, he attempted division of India into planning regions. Herbertson, grand scheme of global natural regions. W. Christler, central places in southern Germany. Prakash Rao, regional planning, it is a book. Then Manjur Alam and W. Khan, that is metropolitan Hyderabad and its region. M. Chisholm, rural settlement and land use. Sen and Van Mali, that is growth pole and growth centers for regional economic development in India. Then Myrdal, that is a cumulative Gaussian model. Friedman, core periphery model. Frank, dependency model. August Loss, concept of demand cone. Friedman formalized the concept that there exists relationship between spatial organization and national development. M.G. Kendall first used the ranking coefficient method of agricultural productivity, and B.J.L. Berry adopted multiple factor analysis techniques to study functional regionalization of Indian economy. Baudeville applied the growth pole concept to geographical space. S.S. Bhatia developed the technique to measure the agricultural efficiency. Raghu Rajan suggested new method to measure regional imbalances and fund allocation to different states. P. Sengupta presented a framework of economic regions of different orders following Soviet concept. Lost economic landscape model. Smith industrial location theory. Then Philbrick aerial functional organization model. P.R. Gould game theory. E.L. Ullman flow theory. J.C. Weaver crop combination analysis. T. Ricardo concept of economic rent. G. Soberg the pre-industrial city past and present, this is a book. Then Perrox growth pole model. Smith maximum profit theory and hoteling market competition. Hoover minimum production cost. Weber minimum transport cost. William Bunge exploitative model of urban structure. Douglas C. North, his regional growth model emphasizes the role of exogenous factors in regional growth. Lost the economics of location, his book name. Whittlesey, major agricultural regions of earth, 1936. Remember the year also. W. Rostow, stages of economic growth. T. Palander, concept of linear market price boundary. So remember that his theory name, linear market price boundary. Walter Izard, father of regional science. August Loss, concept of city rich and city poor. Then Weaver, crop combination formula. And Harry W. Richardson, elements of regional economics. This is also a book. Peter Haggett, locational analysis in human geography. A.R. Wallace identified 6 geographical regions of the world. Weber, concept of isodapen. Friedman enunciated 4 stages in the evolution of space economy. A. Weber, theory of the location of the industries. E.M. Hoover, the location of economic activity. Alan Pratt, behavior and location, foundations for a geographic and dynamic location theory. D.M. Smith, industrial location and economic geographical analysis. So these are their name of their work, right? Book. Morris David, physical quality of life index, PQLI. Morris David. Then HDI, Mahbub ul Haq and Amartya Sen. Zimmerman, functional theory of mineral resources. J. Forrester, system dynamic concept. Meadows and Meadows, the limits to growth, 1972. Remember this book name, year. Then Friedman, core periphery model. Perrox, growth pole theory. Richard Otte, 1993, resource cost theory. Ricardo, comparative advantage theory. Gunnar Myrdal, cumulative Gaussian model, economic theory and underdeveloped regions. This is his book name. Then spread effect and backwash effect. So this concept was given by Gunnar Myrdal. Hirschman, trickle down effect and polarization effect. Then Schumpeter, History of Economic Analysis, 1942. Bourdieu applied growth pole theory to the Brazilian and French cases. Bourdieu developed the concept of growth centers in 1966. Bourdieu, Principal City System, R.P. Misra, Growth Foster Model. Ackerman identified 5 population regions. Then Stauffer, Migration Flow Method, Converse breakpoint theory, then Hub probabilistic model, and Charles de Gaulle coined the term indicative regional planning, 1946. Alfred Hettner, Foundations of Regional Geography. J.E. Reckless, World Regional Geography. Blas, Regional Geography of the World. Blas developed the concept of pays in France, that means region. Then Patrick Geddes coined the term conurbation. A.J. Herbertson divided world into 15 natural regions. Roxby proposed the concept of human region. Carl Sawyer, morphology of landscape. Whitelacy, sequent occupants theory. Whitelacy also wrote the problems of our time, 1946. Whitelacy also gave environmentalism versus geography, 1948. This is a book, I think. Then Whitelacy introduced the concept of Compage region. Hudson, The Nature of Geography, 1939. Hudson, Perspective of the Nature of Geography, that is 1958. His book name. Schaffer, Exceptionalism in Geography, 1953. Bunch, Theoretical Geography, 1962. Haggett, Locational Analysis in Human Geography, 1956. White and Senior, that is book, Transport Geography. Taffet, Morrill, Gould, that is TMG model, 1963, undertook a comparative analysis of the development of transports in developing countries. It was based upon Ghana and Nigeria and experience. Then identified 6 stages in the sequence of transport development. You can explore those stages. Then Aloba, 1983, applied TMG model, that is Taffet, Morrill and Gould model, to rural area of West Africa. Then Gould did another work, that is Spatial Exploration Model, 1966, based upon a simulation of search theory. So here it ends, and most of these names and book names and authors are collected from the UGC NET paper questions. So if you solve UGC NET questions, you can find the questions related to this, and I hope this video will help you to solve those questions. Thank you.